Luzon, the largest and most populous island of the Philippines, a land of rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscape. From towering mountains to bustling cities, Luzon is the heart of the nation's economy, history, and progress. And at its center lies Metro Manila, the country capital region, a vibrant metropolis filled with towering skyscrapers, historical sites, and a culture that blends tradition with modernity. One of its historic places is Intramuros, the walled city of Manila. Built during the Spanish colonial period, its cobble street and ancient walls tells the story of a time long past. Nearby is Rizal Park, a tribute to country's national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, a place of remembrance and patriotism where history and identity comes together. But Manila is not just about history. In places like Makati and Bonifacio Global City or BGC, the future is being built. Skyscrapers, shopping centers, and a nightlife that never sleeps.